Hi there, my name is Kendra and I'm a field marketing representative for iRobot. Today, we're going to go ahead and unbox the Roomba i7 Robot Vacuum. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice when you open the box is you'll see how nicely packaged the Roomba i7 robot is. A couple of key features I wanted to point out on the robot are as follows. The first key part of the i7 I wanted to point out is the clean button. That's going to be at the top of the robot there. The clean button tells the robot when to start a cleaning job. We also have the home button, which if you push, will tell the robot to immediately return back to the home base. Lastly, we have the spot clean button, which tells Roomba to clean in a 3-foot diameter and a spiral pattern. All of these allow for the simple operation of the robot with no programming required. Next thing I wanted to talk about was the cliff detect sensors. Now there's going to be 6 of those on the underneath side of the robot here, 6 in total, and they specifically are designed to prevent the robot from falling down any stairs or drop-offs within the home. We also have the dual multi-surface rubber brushes. That's going to be the bright green rollers on the underneath side of the robot there. Those are going to be great for picking up both large and small debris like dust, dirt, and especially pet hair. As you can see, each roller is formulated with its own special design to ensure that it's picking up the maximum amount of dust, dirt, and debris that it can. You can easily take the rollers out of the robot by pressing that green tab there on the bottom. Lastly, I want to mention the auto-adjusting cleaning head. That's going to be this section right here. The auto-adjusting cleaning head adapts its height to keep the dual multi-surface rubber brushes in close contact with many different floor types. Next, I'm going to take out this smaller box of accessories and show you what's inside. Inside the box are accessories for the Roomba i7 Robot Vacuum. You can also find additional accessories online at iRobot.com or through the iRobot Home app. The first accessory you'll notice in the box is the extra edge sweeping brush. This is great for keeping up on maintenance on your Roomba. The next accessory you'll notice here is the extra high efficiency filter, which traps 99% of cat and dog allergens. This is also going to be another important part of maintenance for your Roomba. Lastly, I want to show you the home base and line cord. The home base is where the robot will automatically return to at the end of a cleaning cycle or when the battery is low. As you can see here, it has a sensor on the top so the robot will always be able to find its way home. Once you get the power cord untied there, you'll be able to plug that line cord into the home base and then simply plug that line cord into your nearest power outlet to give your home base charging power. The last thing you'll find in your Roomba i7 box is going to be some paperwork. That's going to be this stack right here. The first thing you're going to notice is this white pamphlet, which is the owner's guide. This has important information on how to register your robot, how to care and maintain it, and also any setup questions you might have. A lot of this information can also be found on the iRobot Home app. The next one you'll notice here is the warranty guide. That's going to be this black pamphlet. Pretty straightforward. Last, but certainly not least, is the quick setup guide. This quick setup guide comes with easy to read pictures and in 3 different languages to get you set up with your Roomba i7 Robot Vacuum in no time flat. So this was everything that came in the box of the Roomba i7 Robot Vacuum. For even more information on how this product works or why it would be a great fit for you, please check out our other videos on the Roomba i7 Robot Vacuum. And thanks for watching.